If your mouse scrolling is not working in Firefox, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a quick fix that can help restore smooth scrolling in just a few steps. This is a simple troubleshooting method you can try before reinstalling anything or spending time on more advanced fixes. We'll start with the browser setting, and if that doesn't solve it, I'll show you one more option that may help. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the address bar at the top and type about config, then press enter. Firefox will show you a warning page letting you know that advanced settings can affect performance and stability. Go ahead and accept the warning so you can continue. Now, you'll be inside the advanced configuration page. In the search bar, type General.AutoScroll. This setting controls auto-scrolling behavior in Firefox. When you find it, check the value and make sure it is set to true. If it is already set to true, leave it as it is. If it is not, switch it to true by clicking the toggle or editing the value, depending on what appears on your screen. This step can often fix scrolling-related issues, especially if the middle mouse or scroll behavior is acting strangely. After that, test your mouse scroll wheel again to see if the problem is fixed. If scrolling is working now, then great, you're done. But if the issue is still happening, there is one more setting you can try. Go back to the search bar in About Touch Config and search for Security.Sandbox.Gpu.Level. This is another advanced Firefox setting that can sometimes affect browser behavior and hardware-related performance. Once you find it, change its value to 0. Make sure you enter the value carefully because advanced settings should always be changed one at a time so you can track what helped. After changing that setting, restart Firefox completely so the update can take effect. Then open a web page and try scrolling again with your mouse. In many cases, one of these two changes will resolve the scrolling issue and get Firefox working normally again. If your scrolling still does not work after this, the issue may be related to the mouse itself, your system settings, or a browser extension. But this fix is a great place to start because it's fast and easy to test. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.